Hey guys, Chris.Donley with Guarantee RV Centers here in Junction City, Oregon with another great Winnebago for 2020. This is the Intent and this is the 30R. Let's go inside. 2 slides on this one. It's a nice short coach, a lot of room inside. So again, 2020, Winnebago did some redesign features, some different colors and things like that. We're not as dark anymore. We're a lot lighter inside and some great contrasting features. So, you got your typical slide out here with couch and dinette. Across the way, lots of counter space in this kitchen. Remember, we're in 30 feet here, so it's kind of hard to give you the space that you need, usually in something that you get in a 35 or more. So lots of kitchen counter space, which means also lots of drawers underneath, cabinets above, lots of storage in these. Everything's very just clean cut and just nice, easy to clean. Wipe the whole thing down, no vacuuming or anything like that. Nice fridge, all electric. Big fridge too. And then you got a pantry right next to it. Nice and convenient. You got the split bath, shower over here, bathroom over there, and then you got your bedroom back here. Queen bed, lots of wardrobe space. Again, 30 feet. So if you're taking some extended stays, week-longs, things like that, you've got lots of room to put all of your clothes, really. And drawers in there too. Coming back up to the front, I want to show you, of course, they've got the bed loft up here, the bunk that comes down. So grandkids or, if he's in the doghouse up here. And then a nice clean dash on the front too. One thing I do want to show you on the outside though, before we go, is probably one of the best features on this as well. In this 30-footer, you have an outside kitchen too. This is my kind of spot right here. So anyways, lots of good stuff on this coach, a few more things to see. Come on down and check it out. Ask for Chris.